How to fix Among Us app not working on Samsung phone. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, you will see Among Us is here. Click on Among Us. Scroll down and click on storage. After click on storage, if you want to fix Among Us app not working problem, click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, click on clear data. After click on clear data, you will see your problem is solved. So if it still not solved, so reinstall your Among Us app. After install, you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Among Us not working on Samsung phone. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.